Alrighty, I'm done putting my gun back together. It's came out phenomenal. Everything is just the way I planned it. So let's have a look. This is what it looks like. This was my first time painting my camo sniper rifle pellet gun, and it's how it turned out. So let's see here. So start with the back, the scope on there. So this is the BSA scope, the aftermarket that I got for it. It's got the light, the laser. So as you can tell, it's got on the wall over there. But yeah, pretty good. So this is the Varmint Hunter HP 1400 feet per second. Turned out pretty good. Got the good scope on it. And the paint job is done. I haven't zeroed it in yet, but I have it all balanced and lined up there. So it should be all good. And yeah, that's how it turned out. Pretty happy with the paint job. So yeah, that's that. Alrighty. So as you can see, it turned out pretty good. Yeah, so at least I know how to do it.